Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous, beautiful Bhojpuri actress Sapna Chauhan. So today I edit her song and the song name is Sent Ke Sisi, and I did this video with 4K 60 FPS in vertical frame, and I covering all the angle of Sapna Chauhan in this video. So, Sent Ke Sisi is a popular Bhojpuri song featuring Kesari Lal Yadav and Shilpi Raj, with Sapna Chauhan playing a key role. The song's energetic beat and catchy melody make it a standout track that is sure to get you moving. The song's melody is incredibly catchy with an upbeat and energetic tune, perfect for dancing and enjoying with friends. The melody is so catchy that you all find yourself humming it along after the song is over. Kesari Lal Yadav and Shilpi Raj performance as memorable, showcasing their talent and charisma. Their presence adds to the song appeal, making it a standout track. The lyrics of Saint KCC explore theme of love and relationship, resonating with the listener and adding depth to the song. The lyrics are well crafted and the song message is conveyed effectively through the vocals. The song's melody is a perfect blend of traditional and modern element, creating a unique sound that's both catchy and memorable. The use of traditional instruments add a touch of authenticity to the song, while the modern element make it a fresh and exciting. The song's beat are energetic and infectious, making it a perfect for dancing and enjoying with friends. The rhythm is well crafted and the song's overall production quality is high. The song has gained millions of views and shares, making it a favorite among music fans who appreciate the creativity and originality. The song's viral success is a testament to its quality and impact. The song catchy melodies and energetic beat make have a resonate with the audience who praise the singers for their powerful vocal and the song overall production quality. The audience appreciation for the song is evident is comments and review. The song video has been described as most sensuous, with Sapna Chauhan presence being a key aspect of the song appeal. In conclusion, Send Sisi is a popular Bhojpuri song that showcases the talent and charisma of Kesari Lal Yadav and Sapna Chauhan. With its catchy melody and energetic beat and memorable performance beat, and the song is a must listen for fans of Bhojpuri music, and its impact on audience is undeniable, and it's clear that the song will continue to be popular for a long time. The song's success can be attributed to the combination of its catchy melody, energetic beat, and memorable performance. The song's music composition is a perfect blend of traditional and modern element, make it a standout track in the Bhojpuri music industry. The song theme and message resonate with listener, making it a readable and enjoyable listen. The song impact on audience is undeniable, and it's clear that it will be continue to be a popular for a long time. The song cultural significance and the impact on music industry are also noteworthy, and it's likely that the song will influence the direction of Bhojpuri music in the year to come. In final verdict, Send Kisi is the greatest song that showcases Kesari Lal Yadav and Sapna Chauhan. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.